Hi everybody! What's up?
Thank you for coming. I will cook my favorite thing from Yamagata, my hometown.
Yes, what are we making?
Dashi.
Dashi.
Yes, dashi, but it's not dashi stock. It's a vegetable salad in Yamagata.
Yes, this is something that you eat during the summertime, but of course you can eat it any time of the year.
Anytime if
right?
you can get the ingredients.
Yes, anyway, it's a really easy recipe. One of my favorite things that he's made for me. And before I met you, I've never even heard of the dish, so this is going to be a good one.
So first, ingredients. The basic ingredients are here. Eggplant, cucumbers, perilla leaves, and Japanese ginger, myoga. But there's no strict rule. In my home, I use moroheya or okra, and I don't like myoga. In fact, so regularly I use green onions instead. But today I use basic ingredients.
Oh, I see. I was wondering why you had the myoga. I mean, we don't use this myoga in our dashi.
Myoga has a unique aroma. Many people don't like the aroma. Not many, some.
Okay, Satoshi, so you're saying that the original or the real way of making dashi includes the myoga, the ginger,
yes.
the Japanese ginger.
Yes.
I see.
So the making dashi is pretty easy. Chop these ingredients and combine. That's it. So let's get started. So first, eggplant. Remove this part. What shall I say? This.
I don't know. What do you call it? The stem. I think the stem.
Stem and
The yucky part.
itchy part.
The itchy part.
itchy part.
The itchy part.
And make it.
You're gonna slice it?
Slice first. Because I want to make it dice.
Okay.
So cut first, slice like this, and
So we're basically cutting it
strings.
lengthwise.
You don't worry about the size. Just make it dice size. I think it's the 1/5 inch dice, or about 5 millimeters size dice.
I see.
Like
okay.
this.
So basically dice the eggplant.
If you leave eggplant as it is, the color become brown.
That's true.
So put these into water.
And this will prevent the eggplant from turning color, right?
Yep. Like this. So I recommend to cut eggplant first, because you have to put in the water.
Got it.
And next, cucumber. Remove the edge part and make it same way, like this.
So we're chopping the cucumbers just like the eggplant, right?
Yes.
So basically, we're cutting all the vegetables into the same size.
Same size. So, like this. So if you want to use okra, I recommend the once you boil before you chop it.
Oh, why?
Because
Why can't you eat it raw?
the sliminess will come after you boil it.
Oh, so it's better if it's slimy.
It's better, much better.
Oh, I see.
Size is really up to you. That's it.
Okay.
And put it in the bowl. Perilla leaves.
Work on the perilla leaves. In Japanese, we call this shiso.
Shiso.
Some people also call it oba.
Oba.
Which is the real way, or are those both correct?
Both correct.
Both correct? Okay, that's interesting.
So first, remove the stems. This is homegrown perilla leaves,
Homegrown.
sent from my hometown.
Oh, I see.
So once, roll first like this, and it's easy. It's easy way to cut. And chop, like this.
Okay.
Easy, yeah? Then put in the bowl. Voila. Myoga,
Myoga.
which I don't like.
Yes, which we don't like, yet we're adding it to the dish for some strange reason.
But the cooking way is same. Chop,
Right.
chop.
But once again, guys, the reason we're adding this is because the original recipe calls for this particular ingredient. If you cannot find this ingredient, don't worry.
Don't worry.
You don't have to add it.
Yeah, you can use green onion instead.
Oh, I can smell it already. I can smell it
I
already.
prefer using green onions.
This has such a strong aroma.
Strong aroma, yes.
You know, a lot of people like it, but you know. Yeah, I was gonna say, you know, I went to Kyoto, right, recently, and I went to eat udon, and they had myoga as a garnish. I didn't mind it.
Okay.
I think during the summer, if I'm really hot, it's very refreshing,
Okay.
and it's good in small amounts.
Okay, so maybe you can eat today's dashi.
Maybe my taste buds has changed. Who knows?
I chopped.
Okay.
So, combine with other ingredients.
Yep. So this is like a chopped salad.
Chopped salad.
Yes. Chopped salad a la Yamagata.
Chopped salad. Like Kobe salad in Yamagata.
Like Cobb salad. Yeah.
And drain excess water and combine with other ingredients.
Okay. So we're gonna drain this. Okay.
I combine this eggplant. Okay.
All right.
I want to add one more thing.
What's that?
This is optional. I use this one.
Shio kombu.
Yeah. The kombu has a nice aroma, nice umami flavor. So this is very good for dashi. And in many recipes, they use other type of kombu. But the most easy way and easy to find is this shio kombu.
Yes. This is like a all around good ingredient,
Yeah.
you know?
The quantity is up to you. I think this is okay.
And this also has salt.
Salt. So next I will add soy sauce. Soy sauce. But the shio kombu already has salt, so you don't have to add so much soy sauce. And you will read in some menu, they're using mirin or dashi stock or something like that. But this salad is easy menu, easy recipe, so you don't have to use so much in condiments. Because I ate this dashi for breakfast. Do you have any time to cook longer in the morning? Okay, no, so just soy sauce is okay. If you have noodle soup, it's great substitution.
Right, this is called mentsuyu in Japanese, by the way. You can find it at the grocery store that sells Japanese stuff. But maybe, can I be honest with you? I think your way is better.
Yeah, already I added this shio kombu. Shio kombu has umami, dashi flavor, so soy sauce is enough. Okay, so pour a little bit. Don't add too much. And combine.
Now this, guys, it looks really simple.
Very
and
simple.
it is simple to make, but I gotta say, it's delicious. It really is, and it's so refreshing, especially when you don't have an appetite, you don't feel like eating anything heavy, or it's too hot outside. This is great on top of rice, on top of noodles, on top of tofu, or even as is.
Yes. So taste a little bit.
How is it?
It's good.
Good? Yeah?
So if you have time, you can put this in the refrigerator for about 1 or 2 hours. All flavors mixed very well. But if you don't have time, if you are eating for breakfast, I know you don't have time, this is okay.
By the way, I just want to mention that shio kombu. I've used that to make a 1-minute cabbage pickles. It's not really pickles, to be honest with you, but You can call it, cabbage salad, cabbage, whatever. But it's something that I really like to make. And if you missed that video, go check it out. Click right up there. That's great. Sorry, just promoting my recipe.
Okay, so I will let you know how to eat this dashi.
All right, let's do it.
Today I prepared three ways. The most common way is put on hot steamed rice. It's very good for breakfast in summer. Like this, just like this.
Yeah, this is even good for lunch or dinner. It doesn't have to be breakfast, I think.
It's very good.
So that's what it looks like on top of the rice. Doesn't that look delicious?
And next way is put on the hiyayakko,
Tofu.
cold tofu. Yeah. It has a dashi flavor, so it's very good with this tofu.
Look at that. This is great. This is one of my favorite ways to eat this dashi, I gotta say.
The one more thing is eating with noodles. Today I prepared somen. Somen is a very thin type of udon noodles, and poured udon soup on top. And I like this way too. Look, it's beautiful.
It is, yep. So that's 3 ways. You got the bowl of rice, you got the tofu, and you got it on top of somen noodles. Now it's time for the taste test. Here we go. We're gonna start off with the dashi on top of the rice.
Itadakimasu.
Dozo.
Love, love, love.
How is it? Is it good?
My hometown taste, my childhood taste.
So does your family put myoga in it?
Yep, always.
Oh, but you didn't like myoga. Interesting. That's
But
so
I can
interesting.
eat. I can eat.
Yeah, like most of my Japanese friends like myoga. It's just me. I'm kind of like weird. I just never really liked it.
Tofu.
Good on tofu. All right, and then we got one more
Much cheese.
with the somen noodles.
Somen noodles.
Perfect for hot summer days.
Yum.
Although it is almost autumn here, so I'm like so happy. I think I've had enough of the heat, the summer heat. Good?
Refreshing.
Refreshing. Now, I already know what it tastes like, but I can tell you it's really good. I even, like I said, I'm not as bad as I used to be when it comes to myoga, because I've tried it in Kyoto and it wasn't too bad actually. I don't know why. I never liked it before. I think it was just that it was such an intense flavor. Yeah, I don't know, but yeah,
If you
it's
don't
not bad.
like so much, please add a little bit. Please
Yes.
a little bit.
And once again, you can always omit the myoga altogether and add green onions or okra, or actually just omit it. This is totally fine.
Yeah. You can add any other ingredients you want, like ginger or
Whatever
you want.
I would not go too far. Like I wouldn't add hamburger meat or cheese. Then that would just make it, something else.
vegetables.
Vegetables. That's right. It is supposed to be a salad. Only vegetables.
So hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, and please check our recipe videos.
Yes.
Especially the kombu seaweed 1 minute salad.
Oh, yeah.
Made by Shinichi.
That one's very good and very easy.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, press that bell icon so you're notified. That's very important.
Thank you for watching. See you next recipe video. Bye.
Bye. Sayonara. Bye bye.